Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight, Appa is going to make a dish where I haven't been making for a long time. It's a Nyonya dish. It's called Babi Pongteh. This dish you can actually use chicken or pork. Today I'm going to use pork. Basically, it's a Nyonya style of making braised pork or braised chicken. Yeah. So let me quickly run you through the ingredient that you need. I have approximately today Appa is cooking for some of my guests as well. So I'm cooking a bit more here. This is probably about easily 500-600 of pork belly here, which I already blanched and cut into chunks. Yeah, blanched and cut into chunks. But for the pongteh, you definitely need to put in some potato. See, so I have cut some potato chunks inside. Just remember, once you cut the potato, always put it inside the water so that it doesn't get oxidized. And the next two things, which is the most important ingredient for making the flavor for this Nyonya dish. Number one, there's a lot of sliced shallot, a lot, yeah, and I mean a lot. And then you have, luckily Appa today got friend to help me to cut. And also this is gula melaka. Gula melaka, very important. Yeah, these two flavor is very important for this particular dish. Shallot and also gula melaka. And I will be putting in some of the garlic as well. Right, the first thing we're going to do is to make some nice shallot oil. And like I told you just now, the most important flavor for this dish is actually the shallot. Put in the shallot. And let's saute the shallot until it started to brown. By the way, you can actually dry roast or pan fry your potato also, yeah, for enhanced flavor. Today, Appa is just going to skip that particular step. Today, Appa is a bit lazy. As you start seeing some of the shallots started to get browny, you can now put in the garlic. Actually, I think some of them don't even use garlic. Let's saute this together and brown it together. Alright, this is after another 1 minute. It is pretty much everything, you know, like 60-70% brown. This is the time where you can put in the potato and the blanched pork chunks. Oh, already very fragrant. Mainly because of the shallot. And it's always recommended to use the Thai shallot because it's more fragrant. But it's smaller, so you got more work to do. Wow, it's already very fragrant. Now next thing, I'm going to tune down the fire to the lowest fire right now because we are going to season it. First of all, I'm going to give it some Shaoxing wine, some oyster sauce, some salt, and this dish you will need gula melaka. Of course, if you can't find gula melaka, you just use normal sugar or rock sugar, at least 2 tablespoons, 2 rounds of light soy sauce. This dish is supposed to be dark in color, so we want to give it some caramelized dark soy sauce. I forgot 2 important ingredients also. Let me add in right now. Number 1, 1 tablespoon of tauchu. I almost forgot about this. Too long never cooked this dish. Number 2, some 5 spice powder, but I'm going to use 13 spice powder instead. Even better. Alright. See? Don't forget about the tauchu, huh? I know some of you is going to scold Appa very soon. Every time Appa cook Nyonya dish, somebody is going to scold me, one way or another. Now I'm going to raise the heat to medium high. How can I forget about the taoju? No wonder I keep thinking something is missing here. And I'm supposed to saute the taoju a little bit actually beforehand. Never mind. Still going to taste really good. Alright, once you mix everything nicely together, we can now add in some water here. Let everything is nicely submerged. And let's bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, we're going to cover it with a lid, tune down to a medium-low, and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. Why 20 minutes? Mainly is I want to make sure my potato is fully cooked. Alright, this is simmering after about 20 minutes under medium-low heat. Let me check the angle, the focus. Alright, you can see the sauce has actually thickened out by itself. Color also has darkened. Basically everything is done. I won't starch it. I think this is good enough. It has some natural starch coming from the potato itself. It is basically ready to be served. I'm now going to move it over to my serving plate. Alright, here's our versions of Babi Pongteh. Yeah, a very famous Nyonya dish, but it's very easy to make. And it tastes really good. You should really try it. Just don't forget the taoju like what Appa did just now. Okay? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. My daughter will love the gravy to go over her white rice. Bye bye.